What's up guys, this is James and here's our problem for today's video. So if 4 square root of 2x is equal to 16, what is the value of 6x? So the solution to that is actually very simple. So first, let's write down the equation. 4 square root of 2x equals 16. So basically what we're trying here is to solve for x. So this is actually done by dividing both sides by 4. And we obtain the square root of 2x, and as per the right hand side of the equation, 16 divided by 4 is 1. Now, we take the square of both sides, so that means the square root and the square gets scattered out, and we'll do the same thing on the right hand side of the equation. Therefore, it results to just 2x equals 4 squared is of course 16. But wait, we're actually looking for the value of 6x. So from 2x, we can actually obtain 6x by multiplying it by 3. And we'll do it on the other side of the equation as well. So 3 times 2x equals 3 times 60. And therefore, 6x is equal to 48. So our answer here is letter B. So that's it. Thanks for watching everyone. And I hope you subscribe to the videos. And this is James and welcome once again to Maths Videos Chukli.